welcome to the 2024 Kitchenette Red Carpet Menu. I take Oscar's Best Picture nominations and turn them into delicious dishes. We've got a bit of a French theme going on this year. For Poor Things, we have Beurre wings, French butterfly puff pastry cookies. Is my pick for Best Picture this year. It was everything a movie should be. Visually stunning, the performances incredible, the cinematography outstanding, something that seems to be one thing when it starts, but end up in a totally different way. I loved it. What else could I do for the trajectory of Bella's life than to make a butterfly, because she goes from being in a little cocoon to being a full-fledged butterfly. The movie is just outstanding, like these cookies. Puff pastry, sugar, done. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.